Hi there and welcome to Internet Marketing Basics with ZenithDesign.net. In this video we're going to concentrate on organic search engine listings. We're going to look at the number one method for raising your rankings in the search engines, and that is link building. The more links you have pointing at your website, the more important the search engines think it is. More importantly, it is the quality of those links and the quality of the pages on which those links exist. Now, there are thousands and thousands of search engine friendly web directories online. It can take an awful long time searching the engines trying to find these free directories, but thankfully there's a site out there listing many of the best directories you can submit to. And that site is info.vilesilencer.com. You can see the address in the address bar up here. That's http://info.vilesilencer.com. When I need to promote a new site, it's the first place I go to find the latest search engine friendly free directories online. You can see in the last update, which was the middle of December last year, we now have 473 general SEO friendly directories. And here they are. If you click the general link, scroll down the page a little bit, and here's the newly added list. There's a whole load of them here. So if we take a look at one, you can see it's just a general list of websites which the owner has accepted into his directory. To check if it is search engine friendly, you have to investigate the link text in the directory. If you hover your mouse over the title, you will see that down here in the status bar the website address appears. Now there are ways to make it appear like it's a direct link by using CSS, but you can safely assume that if the directory appears on the info file silencer list, then it's search engine friendly, and you don't need to waste time checking this. So to get listed in one of these directories, what you normally need to do is navigate to the directory, choose the category which your website is most appropriate for. You can see we're drilling down into the categories now, and let's say we're promoting a web design firm. You can see we have 3 pages of web design companies listed in this directory, all search engine friendly links. Somewhere on the page you will find a suggest link button or a add a site button, that kind of thing. We click that, and you can see you're presented with a suggest link form where you fill out the various details of your website: link owner, email, title, URL description, and various other fields there, and the submit button at the bottom. So you can see it could take some time filling all this out by hand, especially if you want to submit to lots of directories. So we now come on to our quick method of submitting your information to these directories, but still obeying the rules. Most directories don't like automated submissions, and they're not very effective because you have problems choosing the correct category for your listing with an automated tool. So what we need is an automatic form filler, and RoboForm is a very effective way of doing that. So what you want to do is pop on over to roboform.com and download the software. Once you've downloaded and installed RoboForm, you will see this toolbar appear at the top of your web browser. I'm using Firefox, and I highly recommend using Firefox, mainly because of its tabbed feature. I know Internet Explorer now has a tabbed feature, but I'm a Firefox convert through and through. Obviously use which you're most comfortable with, but in this video we're using Firefox. So we've installed RoboForm, and you can see here is the RoboForm toolbar. You'll see I have various buttons up here, listing 1, listing 2, listing 3. These are identities, and to create an identity you simply use the RoboForm drop down button, identities and new. When you do that you'll be presented with various options to fill out. You can see there's the summary. The only tabs you need to bother with are the person, fill out your name, your email, the business. You only actually need to fill out your website, but you can put the company name in here as well if you like. The address, no need. Credit card. Authentication, you can use a username and password. And the custom field is where it all happens. You want to enter title, description and keywords. So in the field names here we enter title, description and keywords. The field value is what will be inserted into the web form which we're going to submit to. So that's the title, that's the description, that's the keywords. The other match strings is, as its name implies, an area where you can enter alternative match strings. So if RoboForm doesn't successfully find the right place to enter the title, maybe the website asked for a site name instead of a title, then you can put the string site name in here, and if RoboForm finds this field on the page it will enter this value into that text field. So once you set up your identity, you save and close, and you're all ready to rumble. So let's try it. Let's try the big website directory. Right click, open in a new tab, and here we go, the big website directory. So remember, we want to navigate to the category of our choice. You can see Internet and Web Services. I'm going to be submitting a directory, so let's see if we can find the correct category for that. Okay, so we can actually see that Web Directories appears in the Computers and Internet section. So we click on Web Directories, and we're looking for the Submit a Link button, so you can see that's here. Submit link to directory. And it loads up the form. We want a regular link, a regular free link. We're not going for reciprocal links, we're not going for paid links, just a regular free link. And all we do is simply hit our listing button. You can see I'm still using the free version of RoboForm because I'm trying to show you how to do this for free. You can actually purchase the pro version and you get a lot more features, but we're going to use the free version for now. And you can see our form has been automatically filled out by RoboForm. Title, URL, description, name, email, etc. We're not providing reciprocal, so we'll just delete the reciprocal, and that's it. That's all you do. So you can see how quickly we submitted our link to this directory, link submitted and awaiting approval. All you do is close the tab, move on to the next one. And that is all you need to do to promote your website to free search engine directories. Remember to use info file silencer. There are other lists out there, but this is the original SEO friendly directory list, and there's a very active community surrounding this website. It really is the only place you need. It's the best place for finding free search engine friendly directories. It really will save you a lot of time. So remember, that is http://info.vilesilencer, VILESILENCER, vilesilencer.com. So I hope this video has been helpful.